afternoon, traders and traders. Y'all know it's dreycosting. All right, it's been a while. Y'all see my face, right? As you can see, I'm healthy. You know what I mean? Been struggling with a lot of health problems, but we'll keep on pushing on. You know, we're gonna work on it. You know what I mean? Work on the diet, work on the exercise, and all of that, and just continue to push because we have to be there for our family. So just pick up everybody who has been reaching out, just being concerned and all of that. I really appreciate love for y'all. All right, so traders and traders, this Gbpjpy analysis has been going really great. Like it's really connecting. If you're profiting from these entries that I'm sending out each and every day, it's like a free learn and earn. If you're profiting from these, just post them on social media, tag me. I'm at dreycosting on all social platforms. It doesn't matter which one I use, at dreycosting, right? On all social platforms. Yeah, just tag me. Next, I want you to like up this video, show some love, because this is like free. You know what I mean? I've been consistent giving you straight love every single day. Like up the videos, share the video with a friend. Don't be selfish, share the video with a friend. You know what I mean? Let us build the community. Let us build the movement, right? And I give you my word that I'll be here, you know what I mean, to grow with each and every one, right? So traders and traders, just ask any questions in the comment section, right? I'm active. I answer every single comment, right? Whether good or bad, you know what I mean? I'm gonna answer them anyway, you know what I mean? So let's just look at how today went in terms of trading and what we're going to look for in terms of tomorrow, right? So let's dive straight into it. Let's take it back from yesterday, right? So the bomb price went there, right? Roughly 100 pips, and I said that we wanted to come back here to 60 pips, right? So this was the entry right here, right? So my bad. All right, I'm still wanting to come back here. Yeah, so here at around pre-London, notice that we have this massive push with CPI. The CPI news made a nice run of a 50 pip move. So you guys should have caught that, right? That nice little 50 pip move up. You guys should have caught that, because we called this out from yesterday, and I said that price came here and retraced, and I said that I don't think it's going to respect here. I wanted to come back to 60 pips, which is 60%, right, of the 100 pip move, right? So we had called that out from yesterday. It's the 100 pips, and I said wanted to come back 60%, because that's DJ normal retracement, right? So it push up here. So remember that I said I don't like trading these, yeah? So what happened now is that when I got up pre-New York now, I was gonna trade for the day, but when I got a pre-New York, wow, the setup was just really in front of my face, yeah? So I saw this nice little double top, right? So the double top mean to me it's a possibility, you know what I mean, that the trend is ready to change, right? So when I saw this double top and price came back here, right, and create this higher low, I'm not going to take the buy, right? The only way I'm going to take the buy, I would have taken the buy if price had created here, instead I created that double top right here, if price had created a higher high and then came back and create a higher low. That's a stronger confirmation that the uptrend is going to continue, but it did not create a higher high. So when I said double top, it did not create a higher high, it only created a higher low. So now I don't like these type of buys, because so once I see that now, all right, I start to say to myself, this is the market structure going up for the uptrend. So once I see double top or double bottom, the first thing that I do is that I zoom out. So I start to zoom out now and look at the overall market structure. Yeah. So I see price came down here. I see push up here. And then I see it came down here and it push up here. So I'm looking at, wow, this here was a bearish flag, push down and come back creating another bearish flag to continue down. You follow me? So I'm looking at the overall market structure. I say price came down here, lower high, shift, lower low, shift, retest, lower high to continue down for a downtrend. You get me? So you realize when I'm looking at structure within structure. You get me? So that is what I started to look at. So the only time I started to zoom out and all of that to look at the overall market structure to see what's happening is when I see double tops and double bottom. You get me? So because you have to know where you are in the overall structure. So that's why I keep on saying to somebody, I don't need to like change time frames or going looking at the daily, weekly, and all of that or the low. I just stick on one time frame, 30 minutes. You know what I mean? I just keep it simple. Just looking at what structure is doing. I'm just taking it step by step. You know what I mean? Step by step in the overall market structure. So once I see that, right? I said, all right, double tap, let me chill. All right. Then now I saw it came here and it rejected here. And then it rejected here now with a red candle. So I said, okay. Rejected with a green candle, wick at the top. Rejected with a red candle, wick at the top. And then this red candle now, notice now, this red candle, let me bring it up for you now. This red candle, it totally engulfed this green candle. It engulfed this, a lot of engulfing. So once I see those type of engulfing move and the candle close, right? Remember, we want to ensure that the candle is closed first. I said, okay, resistance has been formed. Green candle closure, red candle closure. Resistance has been formed. We cut the top. Double top. I check the market structure and I said, okay, I'm just gonna enter when the bearish engulfing pattern has been formed by waiting on candle. I just enter. So right when I enter, right, I took TP1, right, as I saw on my social media, I took TP1 at 40 pips. So TP1 was somewhere about here at 40 pips. TP1 at 40 pips, right? Then I said to myself, I'm gonna leave a runner, right, to continue down here. However, price came back and keep me out at break even, I'm a runner, but so be the case, right? Because you have to understand that GJ is a break and retest period. Love to break and retest, but sometimes the reason why I could have just wait on the overall transition, all right? But I cashed out 70%, left 30%. As I showed you guys, look in the community tab, guys. Look in the community tab, right? Whenever I do this daily analysis, I normally document in the community tab on YouTube what I'm doing during the trade, all right? So once the numbers build up, then I start to trade live, because trust me, I'm not looking to trade live with 1 or 2 people watching or 3 people watching. I'm not really into that, right? So that's why it's important to share the video, just build up the community. Once you build up the numbers, then we start to go live, right? So watch me now. Now that I get a kick out here, I'm gonna look to take another entry pre-London, because the low has been broken, right? It has came back, retest, create a lower high, right? So what I'm looking for at pre-London, follow me now. All right, I would love to see GJ come back to this level right here and create another double top. GJ loves to create in double top. I don't really want to take the entry away from the zone, so I would love for it to come back here at 182.306 to continue down, because we're now continuing the overall downtrend, right? You want to see the overall movement? Remember, we just talk about that. The overall movement. Look at just look at the chart. The overall movement, right? Shift, retest, lower high. Shift, retest, lower high. Continue down for a downtrend. You get me? Overall movement. So when we are going up back to create a lower high in the counter trend, right, I'm taking the nice little uptrend move until that is finished. And I know it will be finished once I'm seeing double tops and different type of rejection. I know I can continue down, so I take my trade in different stages, right? So that is why I don't look at the larger time frame, because I want to take impulses, I want to take counter trends, you know what I mean? I just take several moves within the overall market structure, all right? So I want to see GJ come back to this level here about at the 182.305 thereabout. And then when it comes back there, y'all know the rule already, right? So let me remove this. Come on. Y'all know the rule. We want resistance to be formed. Alright, green candle closure, wick at the top, red candle closure, wick at the top, and then we look to continue down for the sell, right? Alright, so that's what we're looking for. Alright, it's also, let me point out it again. We just have to wait on confirmations, right? Alright, also, GJ can come back to this level right here at 182.187, right? You can wait on candle closures here, green candle closure, red candle closure, wick at the top, and then to continue down, because here is also a low, that low point that it can come back to. But knowing GJ likes to do the double top and double bottom type of action, right? So I'm looking for that type of movement back to here at pre-London. So when I get to pre-London, I'm going to see what's happening, right? What type of action that GJ is going to give me, right? So you guys caught some nice move from yesterday markup. Yo, just share some love, tag me in those profits, yo. And so this is the move that we're looking at, right? I got kicked out at break even on the runner. Bam, that is why it's good to take partial. So I took my TP1 into break even, you know what I mean? So we're looking to go back here to continue down, right? Alright. However, you know that we also have to plan if it doesn't work like that. So I'm looking for a downtrend, but hey, we have to plan. So bam, if it does something like this, shift, retest, create a higher low back up on this level, then we'll just wait on the bullish confirmation, right, for support to form, right, to probably continue up. But I'm not looking for that whatsoever. I'm looking to continue down, right? So wait on confirmation, right? If you're loving these videos, right, just share to that friend, all right? So I'm going to continue these analysis, traders and traders. I'm getting a lot of love over on Involio, Cuban's social media app. Follow me on Involio, guys, at dreycosting, right? If you don't have Involio on your phone as a trader or a traded, you're missing out. It's nice vibes going on over there. You know, big up Cubans for creating that social media app. It's created for traders and traders only. You know what I mean? I really say only, but it's an application for traders and traders. It's not just Forex, all type of trading, whether it's stocks, commodities, futures, etc. You know what I mean? It's just created for traders and traders. So guys, yo, until tomorrow, you know what I mean, just continue to support the movement. Follow me on Instagram at dreycosting. You know what I mean, ask any questions over there. I'm just here to help each and every trader and traders. Go and big up on yourself. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.